Hi, today I'm gonna show you this realistic newborn baby doll. I just got it for my niece, so let me show it to you. Now when you open the box, you have a couple of more things inside. First, there is this little cute soft giraffe toy. Then you have a little baby drink bottle that you can actually make it into a fully functional bottle. And then little pretend pacifier. It was really cool actually. You have this little kind of birth certificate. So your loved one receiving this doll can actually put the name and the day they were born. This is actually really nice. Now the doll itself is really realistic. When you take her little hat off, there is this net around the hair. So you basically remove it and then you can fix the hair and stuff like that. Of course, everything is really good quality. Additionally, all the clothes are removable, including this little sweater, the pink pajama pants, and even the boots. Of course, the legs and feet of the doll as well as the hands are wrapped in this kind of paper, so you won't get damaged during shipping and etc. And as you can see on the knee and the foot, he has this little kind of like a pinkish accents, just as the normal baby would have from crawling on the knees and stuff like that. The hat is really nice itself and also the other clothing too. Even the ears look pretty realistic too. And by the way, this doll has some little weight to it too. I think this is incredible gift to give to someone and your loved one definitely will be happy. Such an amazing quality doll for really good price too. And I personally can't wait to give it to my niece.